friends. I hope all of you are good and doing great. So in today's video we are going to discuss again my previous one of my previous videos project in which I have created a text to image using Stable Diffusion 3 medium model. Last time I have created that model with using only CPU, so it takes time. But in this today's video we will going to I'll demonstrate if you'll have a GPU, then how fast you can generate that image. So for that I'll be going to use lightning.ai, and yeah. So I've recently one of my friend have asked me what we can do it in studio. So in this studio, using studio, you can use for Visual Studio Code. You can have a Jupyter notebook, you can have a TensorFlows and TensorFlow board, and as well as jobs. So we have used so far this Visual Studio Code and Jupyter notebook. So but today's agenda is to show that the last video what I have created, how I can use it in. So nothing is changing in this. I am not changing any. I am only demonstrating how you can use it, means what is the benefit if you will use it in the GPU. So this is my GitHub repository. This is my text to image GitHub repository. If I'll go here, let me clone it here. So git clone. So it's nothing. I have created a one studio and I'm just cloning my repository now. My repository has been cloned, and then I'll go inside this folder. Now I have to, as per the commands, I don't need to create a conda environment here because it's an environment provided by the Lightning AI itself. So I'll have to only just need to execute this requirements.txt. So after that, Hugging Face login is also required. That I'll do offline, and then I'll show you how it can work. But before that, let's complete this. After that, I have to log in to my Hugging Face. Before that, either I can do it now or I can after switching as well. So let me switch to GPU first. So there are multiple options, and then price is there like this. So if suppose you want to use this only this model T4, that will be charged 50 cents. And remember, Lightning AI provides you $15 credit every month as free, even though you can use any of the GPUs and this one. So obviously you cannot use A100 and H100 GPUs, but you can use AG100 until that, but it will be very costly. Suppose it will be finish in a few 6 hours or somewhere it will be finished. So better to use this one. So for me, this one I am using right now. Just switching it. So after this switch, I'll log into my Hugging Face, and Hugging Face I have demonstrated in my previous video what you have to do. So as per my blog, I'm doing it all these steps. I'm not doing that coding. I'm doing only a deployment part for GPU on GPU. I don't have a pro account in the Hugging Face and anywhere. So this is the best option for me to test my GPU based app, which is basically free for me until $15. Let me switch it. So after switch, again I'll test that whether my requirement.txt is running or not. cd text, let it complete. So all requirements are already installed. Now let me log into Hugging Face. I'm giving my token offline and then coming back. So just please wait. You will find that I'll let you know the steps. So now login is successful. Everything is already there in the code. I don't need to do anything. I just need to run my code. Python. So you can see that Python app.py. So one second. Am I writing wrong? ls python app.py. Yeah, sorry, maybe I have done something wrong. Okay, the spelling for Python was wrong. So my server has been started. Let me click. The app will open. So far I have not downloaded anything, so I'll do it 2 times. Okay, nice little cute nice little cat is enough. Let's see how much time it will take. So now if I'll go, it starts downloading, and you can see that how fast it is right now as comparative to GPU. So for this as well, if you'll go in the code, you will see that we have number inference steps is 40. So it will run for 40, and then we'll be able to see our image. But first time, because it is downloading all the models, everything, this model is quite heavy. That's why it is taking time. So once this will be done, it will be quite fast. Let's wait. So my model generation is started, inference is started. So you can see that how quick it is as comparative to CPU. In CPU it will take around 10 minutes, 12 minutes or 13 minutes. For me, in my laptop it took around more than 15 minutes, but now it will be done in another 10 seconds. So in another 40 seconds, in total 40 seconds it's done, and the image will be generated within a minute. So you can see the cat image is generated so nicely within a minute. As you can see, it is quite fast and it is generated in a minute itself. If I'll do a nice little dog, and let me do it again. Let me stop the server and then do it again. See here. Why I'm doing it? Because you will see the difference in the in when it inference. Apart from inference, nothing will run. Everything will be finished very fast this time. Nice little little dog, a frog. Fine. Let's see now. Let's see how fast it is. Sweet. $14 seconds. 15 seconds. Another 30 seconds maximum, it will be done. So within a minute, you can see that initially it was 40 and then it reduced to 35 immediately. So that will also be there. So you can see the difference in speed. So I'm using the least available free GPU. If you'll have a higher configuration GPU, you will get the things very fast. So see how it fast. Yeah, so you can try it on using Lightning AI. Also remember that Lightning AI, once you don't need any credit card. You only need your phone number and email address. Once you will register, if you have something student or anything, you can prove it, then you will get it faster, or some benefit you will get some benefits. If you don't have that, then it will take 2 days for their side approval. After that you can use it. So I don't have anything as a student or anything, so I'm using it as is, and I'm getting this by this. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.